Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to use XLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. Firstly, you have to make a drop-down list for the employee names as well as for the payment type. Write XLOOKUP function here. Select the cell, comma, select employee names, comma, write XLOOKUP again because we have double XLOOKUP here, comma, select here, comma, select it all this, and then close the bracket. As you can see here, pick the employee name, payment type. Here it gives you what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.